I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate steps. Open MSINFO 32 and confirm Secure Boot State and UEFI mode. This explains why Valorant demands Secure Boot. Once done, sign into an administrator account so you can change system files if needed. Next, prepare a bootable Windows USB or installer. Make sure it matches your current build. These steps prevent rollback or unsupported changes later, and they allow you to repair system components that interact with Secure Boot enforcement. Once in recovery, run Startup Repair to auto-fix common boot and signing issues. This directly addresses drivers and boot files that break Secure Boot. Then open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to replace corrupted component store items. If boot configuration is the problem, rebuild the BCD and use BCD boot to restore the EFI boot files. These actions restore signed loader components that you finish by rebooting and confirming Secure Boot State is on. This final check ensures the system presents the expected signatures to Vanguard. Then update Windows, drivers, and Riot Vanguard so everything uses current signed binaries. If Valorant still blocks you, clear CMOS or NVRAM to reset firmware flags and re-import factory Secure Boot keys. This often fixes mismatched keys. Troubleshooting tip: if boot repairs fail, run a storage firmware diagnostic. Corrupt firmware or drive errors can prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.